Whoa, Cricket Junkie. Whoa, Cricket Junkie. Whoa, Cricket Junkie.
Hi Cricket Junkies, it's Tracy. I wanted to share my first photo folio by Kathy King. I used her tutorial. This is the Foto Folio 2 and it's style number 3. She originally did style number 3, I think, as the genealogy album, and I think it was called Family Affair, but I did mine as a travel album. And the paper I used is by Echo Park. It's called Getaway. And for the cover here, I used Kathy King's Simple Stories Travel SVG files to create the suitcases, and I think it came out really cute. And then this is the back. It's pretty simple, you know, I like my albums real simple. And then this is the spine. Now the spine is craft text, and this was my first time using craft text, and I actually like it. And then here is craft text as well on the side here. So let me open it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I made this album for a friend of mine who just recently went to Scotland and Canada on vacation. So instead of making 2 books, I decided I'll just use this folio and make 1 book, and so she can have both vacations in 1 album. So let's get started. Let me move this over. And you guys have to excuse me because I may be out of frame a little bit. Let me zoom out because it's pretty large. So this is, like I said, it's double-sided. I have the Canada side, and then I have Scotland. And then these are pockets. So I didn't put any photo mats in here because I was thinking that when you go on vacation, you have a lot of brochures and things like that, memorabilia that you like to keep. So you can just stick that. And here's one when I went on vacation. You can just stick that in here. So I didn't put any mats on either side, here or here, and both sides are the same. Okay, and then this paper, I got this paper from the Scrapbook Expo. There was a company at the expo that sold paper from different countries, and well, they had different countries and states, and so I bought some paper and stickers from there. And then let's open this side, and then this is part of the paper that I got from the expo, Adventure in Scotland. And then you open this, and then you have more pockets in here as well. And then you have room for a picture here, and I'll move this up. And then same thing down here. Okay, and then this is magnetic. And then you have this was from the paper pack. You have room for a picture here. You open this. Now I modified this a little bit because her original tutorial, she had a pocket here. I removed the pocket, cut this picture frame out on the Cricut, and then just put a photo mat in here for selfies. I thought that was cute because I know she takes a lot of selfies. And then this was actually a pocket as well. I removed that and replaced it with acetate. Okay. Because I had the map came in the paper pack that I bought at the expo, and I wanted to be able to see the map. I didn't want to cover it up, so I thought that was nice, so I just used acetate in place of the regular pocket. And then that just closes, and then this opens, and you have pictures here, and then this opens and you have pictures here. So this is the double layout. Okay, and then you have the top, this opens, and then that's open. So you have a space, room for a picture here, and then there's a photo mat here. Now this photo mat, I use these Simple Stories Travel SVG files from Kathy King as well. And I thought that was really cute. It's an airplane, and I use this throughout the album. Close that, and then let's see, open this side, I tried to keep it pretty simple, and you know, because she's not a scrapbooker. So open this, and then here's another one of those tags. Like I said, she's not a scrapbooker, so I try to keep it pretty simple. You know, place your picture here. And this closes like this. And then this side, and as you can see, actually let me zoom in on. Let me zoom in so you can see this. I don't know if you can see this, but this says Scotland on the tag. So this was part of the paper line that I purchased. And then here's the Scotland flag. I thought that was really neat. And then you flip it over, and then you have space for 4x4, two 4x4s, and then you have your travel notes at the bottom, and then you have enough space so you can slide your picture here, and then the same up here. And then down here as well. So real simple tags, but really cute. And that just slides back in there, and then this opens, and then you have space for more pictures, and this opens as well, space for more pictures. And then there's tags in here, and then this is a little flip pocket. And flip this over, and then you have space for journaling. And then this is just a 3x4. And then this closes, and then this closes, and then this closes. Now let's move to Canada. The same thing, pockets here, and you open this side, and Adventure in Canada. And again, I got this from the expo, and this was actually a sticker. I just put it on black cardstock and fussy cut it out, added a magnet to it, and then this opens here, and I'll kind of move this up so you can see the bottom, and then this opens down here, so you have space for a picture. And again, these are pockets, and she can put whatever she wants in here, pictures, or like I said, memorabilia. It's up to her. And then this tag was part of the getaway line. And open this, and I did the same thing with this side. I eliminated the pocket. She had a pocket. The tutorial originally had a pocket here, so I eliminated that pocket and just added the selfie. And then here's eliminated the pocket here and just replaced it with acetate, because I love this. I thought this was really neat. And then I didn't put pictures of photo mats on this side because I wanted to see the map, so I thought this was really nice. And then that just closes, and then this opens, and again this side opens, and here you have a layout, so enough for your 4x6s. And then you have another picture here, and same thing here as on the other side. You can slide your photos under here, and then your photo slides under here. And let's see, open the top, and then this one is a double, so you have space for two photos. And then here's another one of those airplane photo mats from the Simple Stories Travel SVG files, and that just slides in here. And this is a pretty generous belly band, so you can add photos here if you want to, or whatever you want to do. It's pretty much up to her. And then that just closes, and then again you have, I'll move this out a little bit. Actually, let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Then this opens, and then you have double side over here as well, place for two photos. And then another photo mat. And these are double-sided, and that slides in there. Then you have space for pictures, and then this closes. Move this, and then this closes as well. And then again, explore Canada, and then you have your tag, And here's your Canadian flag, and then you have your Canada on the tab. I like that. And then the other side is the same as the Scotland tag. You have your travel notes, and then you have a place for 2 4x4s. And then this just slides in here, and then this opens, and then again you have a place, space for photos here, and then there's just two small photo mats in here. These are a 2x3 and a 3x4, and then this is just a little slit pocket, and then I just put the sticker here, and then that closes, and then this closes. So when it's fully open, actually, this is what it looks like. Really nice, real simple, but I thought it was really nice, real easy to make. I had a few things because I made a few modifications, but for the most part it was pretty easy. I think I'm gonna make another one because it was just, like I said, it was really easy, and I really like working with the craft text, and then you don't have to worry about creating a the hidden hinge, no binding or anything like that. It was just a straight folio, and like I said, this was my first time making a folio. Let me zoom in. Making a folio. I really like it. It was really fun and easy. I'll link her tutorial to this for this album in the description, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. All right, and that's it for me today. I just wanted to share before I gave this as a gift. So if you have questions, or I'm always I always try to answer questions, and you know, if you guys ask me things, and so just let me know, and don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.